What's going on, everybody? Today I bring you a mystery box. A nice viewer actually reached out to me and asked if they can send me a box full of random items, mostly games and electronics, for about $100. And I just received this box today, and we're gonna go and crack it open and see what's in there. Alright, so let's open this up. Okay. Alright. Okay, first, let's take a peek here. Wow. Alright, there you go. This looks like a brown little shelf. What is this? Oh, okay. So we have there you go, a little art set. 92 piece deluxe pencil and paint set. I have no idea what this is worth. I imagine this will be about maybe, I mean the price says $50, but online it would probably be about 25 to 30 bucks. So that's not too bad at all. Let's put that there. Next we have a Overwatch apron. So if you're familiar with the game Overwatch, there's a little apron for you right there, made by Funko. It says raise the stakes on there. I believe this will be about $5 to $10, so that's not bad. I'll go ahead and update you guys at the end of this video with the profit. Next, we have a hidden wall safe. Well, that's kind of cool. Check that out. Looks like an actual outlet. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's nice. So it looks like you just kind of, I guess, cut a hole in the wall, obviously, and then just drop this in there, and boom, you got yourself a hidden safe. Not too bad. I'm guessing this is about 10 bucks. Not too shabby. Next, I heard this shaking in the box. We have a Lego racer. Appears to be a pace car. There you go, right there. It's not too bad. I'm not too good with Legos, but I think this is about maybe $5 to $10. I can update price. We have another one of these racers. There we go, right there. All right, not too bad. Alright, next we have a Sharp X portable pencil sharpener. This should be about $15. That's not too bad. Alright, next we've got one of those light up spinners with a fan. Of course, there's not going to be batteries in it right now, but there you go. Right there. These are probably like $3 a pop. Not bad at all. Alright. Trash. Alright, so there's a big item in here. I'm going to take this out. What is this? It is heavy. Definitely not selling this on eBay. It's a 2-quart baker with metal stand. There you go. Check that out. I think it's huge. It's heavy. It's got a lid and a metal stand. It's for, if you have dinner parties or whatever. I think this might be about $25. That's not a bad item at all. And okay, cool. I have a brand new Destiny game for Xbox 360. Seeing that it's brand new, I might be able to get like $10 for it, because I know Destiny 2 came out, I believe, and so this one should be a little bit cheaper, is what I'm trying to say. Alright, next we've got Thunderjet 500 slot car. Oh, that's cool. It's a little neat little car. Check that out. There you go. Not too bad. Probably about $5 on that one. Next we've got we got the Ghostbusters car. Check that out. That's neat. This might be worth, man, maybe about $10 to $15. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this. I'm not familiar with that. All right, moving on. We've got a Halo Wars Mega Blocks. There it is right there. I don't know, maybe about $10 for this. It's not too bad. Alright. Moving on, we have a... Oh, cool. We have a Wise Cam. I've seen these before. I've seen it at the local stores here. It's an indoor camera, 1080p, and it includes a 32 gigabyte micro SD card right there. I believe these are at the store for about, like, I'm guessing about $30. So I could probably get 25 bucks for this. I mean, it is brand new. All of these items are brand new. So that's a good deal. Next, we have a Lego Creator Set. It's a power digger. So if you want to create a big digger, there you go. 64 pieces. Maybe about 10 bucks for this. Not too bad. Next, we've got, what is this? Oh, cool. Star Wars Rogue One Imperial Cargo Shuttle. Includes flight stand. I don't know what this is worth. Maybe also about $10. Not too bad. It's brand new. All right. Next, we have a Teen Titans Go Imagine Next Magic Attack Raven. All right, here we are. That's cool. I believe this is also $10. And to finish this off, we've got a Pokemon something. What is this? It's a Z Power Ring Super Bracelet Z. It's compatible with Nintendo 3DS and 2DS. Okay. There you go. It's motion activated for ultimate roleplay action. There you go. I have no clue what this is worth. I'm just gonna guess 15 bucks, maybe 20. I have no idea. But all in all, it was a pretty good box. I'm glad I actually got this. This is according to the viewer that sent it to me, this is his sample box, and basically for 100 bucks you get a bunch of different items, and he does make bigger pallets and boxes that you can purchase. And I can definitely, if you guys are interested, hit me up in the comments below and I can give you more information as to how you're able to get these. As far as the profit is concerned on this box, I believe I should make about $50 to $75, and if I am wrong, which sometimes I am, I will update you guys below. So this was actually a fun little box. It wasn't really meant for me to make a whole lot of money. It was more for the fun of it, to see what I'm going to get in a mystery box. I clearly had no clue what I was getting, and I was not familiar with some of the items, but you know, I'd like to do more of these, and if you guys are interested in seeing more of those, leave a comment, leave a like, and as always, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this. And that should do it for this video, and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.